It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun for you and I. Every attitude. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria? Don't worry about it, don't worry about a damn thing. I'm too excited, dark liquor with the palm trees. It's all or nothing, ooh, it's all or nothing. Ignore the signs and socialize. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living.
Okay, y'all, I'm out the store. I got a couple candles because, as y'all do know, they are having a sale for the $15.95. Also, I ain't even opened up my video. Welcome everybody, this is your girl Kim, and I'm back again with another video. As y'all did see, I did a walkthrough, plus I purchased a couple candles. Also, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments, let me know, did you participate in this $15.95 sale? As y'all do know, our coupons expires on the 29th. So if you have not used your coupon, this is the weekend to do it, or you snooze, you lose. So I did go into the store. I did purchase a few candles. For some reason, my store is in a temporary location. As y'all, I did show y'all that beautiful store. I love how bright the store is now. So nice. I wish they would stay in this location, but they're going back to their old location in October. So I have two bags along with the $15.95 sale. They are doing a $6.50 on aromatherapy as well. So I did grab a few of those items. We could start with those items first, y'all. I bought what, 5 items in the aromatherapy collection. The first thing I got is the elderflower, which is mandarin plus cedarwood. I end up getting those 2 items. I was trying to smell them in store, but I really couldn't get a good smell on them. I did bring the actual things, but because I mixed them up, I don't even know which one is which. So I did grab 2 of those, the lotion as well as the body wash, because y'all know I absolutely love their aromatherapy, and these are on my top of the list items. I think my #1 item for Bath and Body Works has to be their candles. The next thing might be the True Blue Spa lotion, the lay it on thick lotions. I absolutely love those. And #3 has to probably be the aromatherapy. I absolutely love Bath and Body Works aromatherapy, and most of the times when they come out with a new collection, I always get them. And I always purchase the I think this is the body lotion. Yes, I only purchase the body lotion in this packaging. I never get the squeeze tube ever. So my collection, I have tons of aromatherapy, some of the new stuff as well as some very old items. So yeah, I decided to get these 2. Love them. And then the next thing I got, I know I dragged that on y'all, but you know, the next items I got is the chamomile, which is lavender and chamomile. Oh, I love the way these packagings look. I just love anything with the neutral color tones. Love it, love it, love it, because some people might say I'm basic, but I love being like that. I love just plain stuff. I just love it. So yeah, this is just lavender and chamomile. So I decided to get that. And then the last aromatherapy item I got is the Marigold Margot. So yeah, I decided to get this. I didn't get the lotion because I thought it would be like really heavy on the rose, but it actually smells really good. So I should have just went on and got the lotion, but it's not a big deal. Yeah, got that. And then because I had coupons, I got a couple of free items. Y'all know I absolutely love the honey wildflower, so I decided to get the wallflower in that scent. Love this. And when they have a sale on the body care, I most definitely have to get some more of the body wash as well as the lotion, because I love it. I just hate the fact that the candle don't throw good. Sucks. And the scent notes is pear, wildflower, and honey. So yeah, I decided to just grab one of these to give this a try. And then my other free item was a hand cream. So I just picked up the tea tree plus lavender. Decided to just grab those two items totally free with a coupon. Now the candles, toss that stuff in the back because y'all know. Now the candles, my store did have some of the new candles out. My store did not have the fairy tale candle or the products inside the store. She told me they'll be getting those next week, so I just got what I could get. I'm kind of pissed because I just noticed when I was looking in the app that it's saying that I reached the maximum points that I could get. I'm mad about that. So I decided to grab the pumpkin cinnamon bun. Got that pumpkin cinnamon bun. Let's see what this smells like. Most definitely smell like cinnamon. And the scent notes on this is cinnamon roll, pumpkin spice, vanilla frosting. Yes, I can smell the like a baked bun with that cinnamon. To me, it almost smells like a donut to me. Yeah, this might be pretty decent. The next one, I'm gonna speed this video up because it's kind of dragging. The next one is old-fashioned cider donuts. Old-fashioned cider donuts. Love the packaging. Love the color of the wax. Super nice. Most definitely have that cider, that tang note. It does smell like a donut, and you most definitely get that apple. So cake donut, baked apples, brown sugar, cinnamon. No. Cake donut, baked apple, sprinkled with brown sugar, cinnamon. Yeah. This might be pretty nice, but it's just, it don't seem like something I run for. Hopefully it performs really, really well when I burn it. Most definitely get that donut, like a cake type of note. Most definitely smelled like that apple cider. To me, this kind of reminds me of that Harry Slackens candle that I have, Homeworks. That's what it kind of reminds me of, even though it might not be the same. The next one I got is Harvest Linen. Harvest Linen, and this is a wraparound. So nice, really, really cute. This smells like Tide. Smells exactly like Tide detergent. Linen, pine, musk is the notes. Yeah. Fresh, clean, Tide-like candle. And then I'm sorry, I didn't even show y'all the lid. Look at the lid. The lid is actually really nice. I don't even know if y'all gonna be able to see that or not. The lid is actually nice. Yeah. The next one is white balsam and vanilla. They said this is new, but I don't think this is new unless they changed the fragrance, because when you look it up online, it's showing that this is new. I don't think this is new, but I don't know. Pine, forest air, vanilla, musk. Now, this isn't new. I don't know why they're showing that this is a new fragrance online, because it is not. Yes, it's showing that this white balsam and vanilla candle is a new fragrance. but it's not. I've smelled this before. Yeah, your typical balsam holiday scented candles, the same stuff that comes out every fall season. That's what this one is. Damn, she bumped all into my daggone mirror. Okay, the next one is Caramel Brulee Latte. Caramel Brulee Latte, and this is a wraparound. It goes all the way around. This is actually really cute. The scent notes in this is latte, caramel, nutmeg. Ooh, I like this. Wow, this smells to me like caramel that's cooked, you know. Oh, this is good. Wow, I love it. And I think I like it because it's almost like coffee. It's a very strong, and I think this candle might be kind of strong because that coffee or that latte note is really coming in heavy. It almost smells like chocolate, but I know it's caramel. It's almost like when caramel is starting to get like really, really dark to me. That's what I smell. Almost to that burnt point, but it's not. And I'm sorry I got gum on my hand. Okay, yeah, as y'all do see, I'm back at home. My camera shut off on me, so I had to let it cool down. So I decided to just come on home. Let's continue with the video. I don't even know where I was, but again, we was talking about the Caramel Brulee Latte. Oh my goodness, super, super nice candle. As you see, the wraparound has little animals on it. This is good. This most definitely smells like a coffee candle. It's not like your typical latte candles. Normally they be more creamy versus coffee, but this one to me smells more like coffee. Yeah, more like coffee to me. You do get that strong chocolate note, but it's kind of coming off chocolatey, but it's kind of coming off coffee to me. And I most definitely smell the caramel. I don't really smell a lot of nutmeg. Maybe I do. But I think I'm really gonna enjoy this candle, and I probably should have got 2 of them because on cold sniff, I absolutely love it. And then my last candle, the last candle, y'all. Oh my God, this video is long, which is Autumn Day. That's what it looks like. Has this beautiful green color wax. It's almost like a pea, like the vegetable, sweet peas. It's almost that color green. Yes, the scent notes is green apple, fig, birch, and cedar. This might be pretty nice. You get that green apple, which it does say it is. Yeah, most definitely get a lot of green apple in this candle. I don't smell fig. I wonder if they talk, yeah. I don't really smell figs. I don't really smell the birch. I just really get a lot of the apple. So we're gonna give this a try, and I'm gonna see. It's just a plain white lid. I'm gonna see what this do, what kind of vibes it throws, and that's basically it. That's everything I got. I am gonna place an order because, as y'all know, the new candles is online, so I'm gonna try to grab some of the online exclusives, plus I'm gonna grab the fairy tale candle. I'm pissed because I actually hit maximum points on my account, so I'm pissed. I got a feeling I didn't earn all my points for this right here. Sucks big time. So yeah, like I said, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave in the comments, let me know what did you buy on this $15.95 sale, as well as this aromatherapy sale. Did you grab anything, any of the new candles? Did you place any orders? This is the last week that you could use your coupon. They expire on the 29th, so make sure y'all get y'all orders in. Make sure if you don't use the 20% coupon, make sure you just go and get your free item. Just do that, if anything. Yeah, follow your girl on Instagram, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for always supporting me. Y'all are my riders, my MVPs. I truly appreciate it. Thank you, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.